he would foam at the mouth. Liyasho ukuthi lo mntwana lona kagula amazinyo wakhe bewaceka bewachachazela. Iyasho ukuthi nakagula he would be stiff and then he would fall down. So it names 5 of them. Right? Ukuthi ama symptoms wakhe nakagula okwenzakalani. uNkulunkulu uthi kimi, the reason why the disciples could not msiza lo mfana loyo, it's because they were not consistent and they were not consistent bazalwane in learning from uJesu. Ukuthi if this is the situation that you are facing, this is the solution. If this is the situation you are facing, this is the solution. So lo mfana lo nakagula so Z5. So uNkulunkulu uthi kimi, those are different levels bazalwane singabazalwane that we need to understand. Sibazalwane, yes, sibazalwane sina ne. But spiritual life says to find ukuthi so that we can match whatever it is that we are going through at the time. Because sizosithola sisifila somehow, or sizosithola in a position where ukuthi sesifila ngathi into yethu ayisebenzi kahle. So we need to dig deeper. We need to pray more consistently so that our level, our spiritual maturity can grow. And then once that happens, Bazalan, you can tap into other realms and you can speak to God directly one-on-one.
Come on now.
But in KCA2, it needs to more.
Amen.
More. Daily. Ngiyazi ukuthi sonke sinama challenges siyasebenza. Sinezinto eziningi and things like that. But it's where 2 or 3 are gathered. It should not matter ukuthi if we bakade kuyenza call, maybe see by 2. It doesn't matter. We stand in the gap for the entire church. Consistently so, until our case is solved. Amen. And Baba saying that to evaluate is to check, is to go through something to make the right decision. Amen. Yes. Amen. And then Bazalwane just kancane cela ukuthi ibandla lisale before siphuma after service.
Okay.
Sorry kancane siskhelsi ngiyaqolisa shelala next week ngizobe ngekho la. Awuxolisa kakhulu la.
Okay.
Mawubuye.
Umntonga